Dear students, welcome to Khana Kingdom Smart Education online classes. Or chapter number 3, playing with number, exercise 3.7. Question number 9. Find the smallest 4-digit number. The smallest 4-digit number is 1000. The number below there is 3-digit number. So, for smallest 4-digit number is 1000, means 1000, which is divisible by 18, 24, 32. A number 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, these are the 4-digit numbers which is divisible by 18, 24 and 32, which is divisible by 18, 24 and 32. We will try dividing by 18, dividing by 24, dividing by 32. So we will take a LCM and try by this LCM for dividing the smallest 4-digit number. First of all, we will find the LCM of these numbers. LCM of 18, 24 and 32. Now 18, 24 and 32. First of all, we will divide by 2. 9, 12, 16. Now dividing by 2. Cannot divide, leave this. 6 times, 8 times. Dividing by 2. Cannot divide, 3 times, 4 times. Dividing by 2. 9, 3, 2. Dividing by 2. 9, 3, 1. Now dividing by 3. 3, 1, 1. Dividing by 3. 1, 1, 1. So our LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into 2, 4. 8, 16, 32. This is over 32. 3 into 3, 9. 9 2 is 18. 9 3 is 27 plus 1, 28. So LCM is 288. Now we will try to divide this number by 288. The smallest 4-digit number is 1000. Now we will try to divide by 288. 3 times. 8 into 3, 24. 8 into 3, 24 plus 2, 26. 3 into 2, 6 plus 2, 8. Subtracting. 6, 9 minus 6, 3 and 9 minus 8, 1. When we try to divide by these numbers, the remainder is 136. So the lowest number is, in this number we can divide by these 3. So the next number should be plus, the next number should be plus 288, or we can also write as 1000 plus 288 minus remainder. So we can exactly divide by these 3 numbers. So the smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by 18, 24 and 32 is 1000 plus 288 minus 136. 1000 plus, now subtracting 2, 5, 1. So the number is 1152. This is our answer. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Now our next question is question number 10. Find the LCM of the following numbers 9, 4, 12, 5, 6 and 5, 15 and 4. Observe a common property in the obtained LCM. First of all, we will find the 4 LCMs and observe them to find the common property. Is LCM the product of two numbers in each case? The LCM, we will find LCM is 36, 9 into 4, 12 into 5, 6 into 5, 15 into 4. Why? Because these are the co-prime numbers. These are the co-prime because there are no any common factor in them. So the LCM will be product of these. First of all, LCM of 9 and 4. 9 can written as 3 into 3, 4 can written as 2 into 2, taking LCM. First of all, we will take the common factor between them. There are no any common factor, so we will take separately prime factors. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So LCM is 36. In part B, LCM of 12 and 5. The LCM of 12 and 5. 12 can written as 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12. You can also write here 12, 2, 6, 2, 3, 3, 1. So 12 is 2 into 2 into 3, 5 is prime number, so this is 5. LCM is equal to, taking common factor, there are no any common factor, then take the factor separately. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. The LCM is 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12, 12 into 5, 60. The LCM is 60. Now taking part C, LCM of 6 and 5. The LCM of 6 and 5. 6 can written as 2 into 3, 5 can written as 5. LCM, taking common factor, there are no common factor, so we will take separately. 2 into 3 into 5, 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 5, 30. The LCM is 30. Now taking part D, LCM of 15 and 4. 4, 15. First of all, dividing by 2. 2 time cannot divide. Dividing by 2. 1 time cannot divide. Now dividing by 3. 1, 5 time. Dividing by 5. 1 and 1. So the LCM is 2 into 2, 3 into 5. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. The LCM is 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12. 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12, 12 into 5, 60. So here is the all LCM. First LCM is 36, second LCM is 60, the third LCM is 30, fourth LCM is 60. We will find the LCM by prime factors or directly. You can find the LCM by prime factors or directly. These are the 4 LCM. Observe the common property. There are the LCM is 36, next is 60, next is 30, next is 60. These are the 4 LCM. The common thing between them, they are all even numbers which is divided by 2. The all numbers is divisible by 2. Then next is 3, 6, 3, 6. The all numbers is divided by 3. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. The all numbers is divisible by 6. Common property between LCMs is divisible by 2 and 3 both. So LCMs is divisible by 6. This is the common property. The LCMs are divisible by 2, 3 and 6. Now, LCM is the product of two numbers in each case. 9 into 4, 36. First is 36. 12 into 5, second is 60. 6 into 5, third one is 30. 15 into 4, 60. Yes, all LCM the product of two number in each case. Yes, all LCMs the product of two numbers in each case because given numbers are co-prime numbers, means there are no any common factor. All LCM are the product of two number because these are the co-prime numbers. The definition of co-prime numbers are there are no any common factor between them. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Now our last question from this exercise is question number 11. Find the LCM of following numbers in which one number is the factor of the other. One number is the factor of other. What is the factor? If a number is given 12, factors of 12, by which number we can divide by 12? 1 can divide by 12, 2 can divide 12, 3 can divide 12, 4 can divide 12, 6 can divide 12 and 12 can divide 12. These are the factors, not prime factors. These are the factors which can divide 12. So this is our factor. One number is the factor of other. 5 can divide 20, yes. 6 can divide 18, yes. 12 can divide 48, yes. 9 can divide 45, yes. So one number is factor of other. Now we are attending the question. Question is find the LCM and find the factor. Part A. LCM of 5 and 20. 5 is a factor of 20. Now taking prime factorization, 2, 10, 2, 5, 5, 1. So 20 can written as 2 into 2 into 5 and 5 can written as 5. Now taking LCM, first of all common factor. We will take common factor. Now remaining factors will be used. Remaining is 2 and 2, 2 and 2. 5 into 2, 10, 10 into 2, 20. The LCM is 20. For first question, LCM is 20. Taking part B, LCM of 6, 18. 6 is a factor of 18. Now prime factors of 6, 2 into 3, prime factors of 18, 2, then 9, 3, then 3, 3, 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 2, 18. LCM. Common factor 2, next common factor 3. Now remaining factors are 3, 2, 3 and 3. So LCM is 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 3, 18. 6 into 3, 18. The first LCM is 20, second LCM is 18. Now third one, part C. LCM of 12, 48. First of all, factor. 12 is a factor of 48. 12 can divide 48. Now prime factorization. 2, 4, 2, sorry. Dividing by 2 get 6, dividing by 2 get 3, 3, 1. Now in 48, 2, 24, 2, 12, 2, 6, 2, 3, 3, 1. 12 can written as 2 into 2 into 3 and 48 can written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2, 2, 2, 2, 4 times. 4 times, then 3. Now our LCM. Taking common factor 2, 2, then 3. These are the common factors. Now remaining factor 2, 2. So our LCM is 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12, 12 into 2, 24, 24 into 2, 48. The LCM is 48. Now taking part D. LCM of 9, 45. First of all, 9 is a factor of 45. 9, 3, 3, 3, 1. Now taking 45. 3, 1 time, 5 time. 3, 5, 5, 1. 9 can written as 3 into 3. 45 can written as 3 into 3 into 5. LCM is 3, 3, 3 into 3. These are the common. Now remaining factors 5. So LCM is 3 into 3 9, 9 into 5 45. These are our LCM. First question, find the LCM of following number, and one number is factor of other. 5 is a factor of 20, 6 is a factor of 80, 18, 12 is a factor of 48, 9 is factor of 45. We will find the LCM. First question, LCM of first question is 20, second question is 18, LCM of third question is 48, LCM of fourth question is 45. What do you observe in the result obtained? What do you observe? First of all, LCM of 520 is 20. LCM of 618, LCM of 1248, LCM of 945. The second LCM is 18, third LCM is 48, fourth LCM is 45. These are the LCM. Find a common property. LCM of 520 20, LCM of 6 18 18, LCM of 12 48 48, LCM of 9 45 45. These are the LCM are the larger number. LCM are the larger number. LCM are the larger number. These are the common property between them. So if a number is a factor of another number, then LCM is the larger number. You can take a screenshot of this. We will take next exercise in our next video. Thank you for watching this video.